children, good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to this e-learning class. So students, I hope you all have completed your exam of semester 1 properly, right? Okay. So after completing the exam of semester 1, from today we are going to learn semester 2 syllabus, right? So let's start semester 2 syllabus. So in English grammar, today I am going to teach you lesson number 6, more than and most. So let's start. So first of all, lesson number 6, more than and most. Read these sentences. A coconut tree is taller than a rose bush. The rasgulla is sweeter than a barfi. This park is dirtier than that one. The lion is more powerful than a deer. This cake is delicious, but the one you baked was the most delicious. So students, here in these sentences you can see there is the comparison between two or more than two things, right? So students, in this chapter we have to learn how to compare the things or people, right? So let's learn about this. So first of all, an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. So today in this lesson, first let's learn about degree of comparison. So what is degree of comparison that we have to learn? So first of all, there are 3 degrees of comparison. First, the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. So 3 types of degrees are there that we have to learn. So first of all, the positive degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. So students, in positive degree, we don't have to make comparison because it refer only one object, person or place. So positive degree, in positive degree we don't have to compare the things. For example, she has a big house. So she has a big house, that is a truth. So there is. Now the second degree is the comparative degree. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people or places. So students, comparative degree used to refer or compare two objects, people or things. It is used to compare two objects, people or places. For example, her house is bigger than my house. So here comparison of two houses. Her house is bigger than my house. So this is called comparative degree. Now the third one is the superlative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. So students, superlative degree is used to refer more than two objects, people or places. For example, it is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. His house is the biggest of all. Here you can see 3 houses are given. So between these 3 houses, the first house was the biggest. So ग्रुप में कोई चीज़ की कंपैरिजन करनी है, ग्रुप में कोई चीज़ बेस्ट है वो दिखाना है, तो हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री का यूज़ करते हैं. सो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इज़ यूज्ड टू कंपेयर मोर देन टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स, पीपल और प्लेसेस. So here we learn about 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Now next, here in this example you can see small positive degree, smaller comparative degree, smallest superlative degree. The same way, big positive degree, bigger comparative degree, biggest superlative degree. Slow positive degree, slower comparative degree, the slowest superlative degree. Here you can see this is a big ball. So it is positive degree because there is no comparison. The red ball is bigger than the green ball. Here comparison between two things. This is comparative degree. Third, this is the biggest ball among all balls. So it is a superlative degree because there is a comparison between more than two things. Now, what is comparative adjective? So in this lesson number 6, we have to learn two degrees, the comparative and the superlative. So what is comparative adjective or degree? Comparative adjective or degree compares someone or something with someone or something else. यानी कि comparative degree का यूज़ हम दो चीज़ों का कंपैरिजन करने के लिए करते हैं. For example, Raj is shorter than Bob. Physics is more interesting than maths. So here you can see there is the comparison between two objects, people or places. Now what is a superlative adjective? A superlative adjective compares someone or something to every other person or object in group. So superlative degree is used to compare the people, place or thing in group. For example, physics is the most interesting subject. So physics is the most interesting subject of other subject. Okay. So here there is a comparison between the subjects. Now formulation: to form a comparative degree, add er to it if it is a one syllable word. So if there is a one syllable word in comparative degree, we are using er. Short, shorter. Nice, nicer. Here you can see we use er. Add more before it if it is a multi-syllable word. So here in comparative degree we are also using more to compare things. For example, difficult, more difficult. Interesting, more interesting. Interested, more interested. Loved, more loved. Now formulation of superlative degree: to form a superlative degree, add est to it and the if it is a one syllable word. So in superlative degree we are using est and the. Short, shortest. Nice, nicest. Here we used est, right? Add most before it if it is a multi-syllable word. So students, if there is a multi-syllable word, we are using most. For example, difficult, the most difficult. Interesting, the most interesting. Interested, the most interested. Loved, the most loved. So here in comparative degree we are using er and more. And in superlative degree we are using est and most. Now in our textbook there is rules are given: taller than, sweeter than, dirtier than, more powerful than and most delicious. Talk about difference between two things. Because er is used means this is a comparative degree. We add er to the describing words when we compare two people, animal or things. So students, when we are comparing two things, people or animal, we are using er. Er means comparative degree. If a describing word ends in y, we change y to I and add er to it. We use the er or IER forms to the describing words followed by than. With some describing words we use more and most. Here are some example. Helpful, more helpful than, most helpful. Powerful, more powerful than, most powerful. Beautiful, more beautiful than, most beautiful. Careful, more careful than, most careful. Interesting, more interesting than, most interesting. Useful, more useful than, most useful. Delicious, more delicious than, most delicious. So students, here you can see, here more is used, here most is used. Here there is comparison between two things, here the comparison between more than two things. Here see this rule. If there is a one syllable word in adjective cold, colder, coldest, dark, darker, darkest, ending in e, cute and fine. Cute and fine, this word ends with e, so we are using r. Cuter, cutest, finer, finest. Ending in consonant, vowel and consonant. Big, hot, big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. If there is two syllable ending in y, happy, happier, happiest. Sunny, sunnier, sunniest. Two or more syllable, sublime, more sublime, most sublime. Frozen, more frozen, most frozen. So children, these are the rules. Okay, how to change adjective into comparative and superlative, that is the rule is given. Now see this example. This book is more interesting than that one. My son is taller than my daughter. Peter is more careful than robot. He is that happiest person I know. The cake is most delicious. So students, here you can see there are the comparison between two or more than two things. Now here you can see positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So let's learn this table. Brave, braver, bravest. Small, smaller, smallest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Great, greater, greatest. Young, younger, youngest. Kind, kinder, kindest. So here in this table you can see 3 degrees are given in this table, how to change the adjectives into the degrees. Now children, after understanding the concept of more and most, let's learn this exercise from our textbook. So exercise A, look at these pictures and complete the sentences with the correct forms of the describing words in the box. So number 1, the green snake is long. The brown snake is longer than the green one. So students, here you can see there are 2 snakes are given. One is green and another one is brown, right? So the green snake is long, but the brown snake is longer than the green one. यानी कि ग्रीन स्नेक लंबा तो है ही, लेकिन ब्राउन स्नेक ग्रीन स्नेक से भी लंबा है, क्योंकि इधर 2 स्नेक्स की कंपैरिजन की है, इसलिए ये कंपैरेटिव डिग्री है. नंबर 2, द व्यू इज ब्यूटीफुल. द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग इज द रेनबो इन द स्काई. हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज अ सीन, राइट? द व्यू इज ब्यूटीफुल, हमें कितना ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है, बट द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल इज द रेनबो. लेकिन इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल हमें रेनबो लग रहा है. यानी कि द व्यू इज़ ब्यूटीफुल, दैट इज़ पॉजिटिव डिग्री. द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग इज़ इन द रेनबो इन द स्काई, यानी सबसे सुंदर रेनबो हमें लग रहा है. सो दैट इज़ अ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. नाउ थर्ड, द ब्लू बैग इज़ ओल्ड. ब्लू बैग ओल्ड है. द ग्रीन बैग इज़ ओल्डर देन द ब्लू बैग. लेकिन जो ग्रीन बैग है वो ब्लू बैग से भी ओल्डर पुराना है. सो द ब्लू बैग इज ओल्ड. पॉजिटिव डिग्री. द ग्रीन बैग इज ओल्डर देन द ब्लू बैग. There is a comparison between two bag, means two things. This is a comparative degree. Number 4. The marigold is a colorful flower. The petunia is more colorful than the marigold. Ria, those flowers you sent me were the most colorful I have ever seen. So students, in this fourth exercise, 3 degrees were given. So first, the marigold is colorful flower. That is a positive degree. marigold वो colorful flower है. B, the petunia is colorful than marigold. The petunia flower है वो marigold से भी ज़्यादा colorful है. So there is a comparison between two flowers. So this is a comparative degree. Ria, those flowers you sent me were the most colorful I have ever seen. So here most colorful is used, यानी सबसे सुंदर फ्लावर जो रिया ने मुझे भेजे हैं वो है. So this is superlative degree. Now the fifth one is Surita runs fast. Sandhya runs faster than Surita and wins the race. So Surita runs fast. This is a positive degree. Sandhya runs faster than Surita and wins the race. So two girls are here. So there is a comparison between two girls. This is a comparative degree. 6. The side of the road is dirty. The pond is dirtier than the road. Here also there is a comparison between two things. So the side of the road is dirty. The pond is dirtier than the road. There is a comparative degree. 7. Varun is famous cricketer. Sachin is more famous than Varun. But Kapil is the most famous cricketer in Kanpur. So Varun is famous cricketer. This is a positive degree. Sachin is more famous than Varun. There is a comparison between Sachin and Varun. So comparative degree. But Kapil is the most famous cricketer in Kanpur. लेकिन कपिल वो सबसे ज़्यादा famous है. So this is a superlative degree. So students, in this way you have to complete the exercise A. Now exercise B. Tick the correct answer to complete these sentences. 1. I am Rohan's younger brother. Here I am Rohan's younger brother, यानी कि मैं रोहन का यंगर छोटा भाई हूँ. Number 2. My sister is now taller more than my father. So इसमें से आएगा taller. It means my sister is now taller than my father, because there is comparison between sister and father. 3. Paro's drawing is more colorful than Joseph's. So here comparison between Paro and Joseph. So more colorful is used. 4th, Mount Etna is the most dangerous volcano in Italy. The book is more interesting than the film. A bus is bigger than a car. The dolphin is the most intelligent animal in the sea. 8th, cycling is easier than swimming. 9th, Xenia is the more colorful person I have met. 10th, the new rocket is most powerful than the old one. So students, in this way you have to complete the exercise of lesson number 6. Now students, I hope you understood this chapter very well. Now understand the concept of chapter 6 from the video and complete the homework you have received.